Hey guys, this is Chris again. So I'm going to check out my plan one more time. Again, I'm using M120 to M150 unbuffered, so there's really no buffers in my thinking right now. I've just created the tasks and the durations and resources and dependencies so that we can see what this project looks like once we put it all together. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to undo buffers. I'm always going to be in what's called plan mode. During this time of design, replanning would be used if I'm doing some replanning once I'm in execution. Just a couple more items. Here I'm setting the settings for this iteration. Again, my buffers are set to 0. Today is my horizon start. If I wanted to use something in the future, meaning I really want this project plan to start, at the end of February or something, I could make it start the 28th and then see how that would look. But I'll just use today as the horizon start. Everything else is set to 0. I can make my adjustments on either durations or dependencies. At the individual subtasks, there is one other feature. It's called roll up. So here I have sequential tasks, means one right after the other, 5, 20, and 5. I would expect it to be 30 days. If I were to change this to 6 as an example and hit roll up, it would change my overall duration for the top tier task. So that's just if I'm making changes here, I want to remember to hit roll up so I can see the change reflected in the overall duration of the tier 1 task. It also will roll up my resource requirements if I have some at the tier 2 level, as you guys put on the project plan on the board yesterday that I did not get to. So just a couple more items, and then once I'm done making those changes and I think my project plan looks good, I will run identify critical chain. If there are some errors, meaning there's tasks without resources, or maybe there's tasks without successor, then I can check in this little box down below, a warning window, error window that'll be down below in this box. So these toggles to the right is milestone toggle, excuse me, resource toggle, and so we can see those windows show up down below. I see the main milestones, which are my project end and internal milestones, the projection dates. Also, I can see the entire chain length, the start of the project and the end of the project over here. So 129 days, that's 129 work days. So right now my calendar is set at 5 days during the week, not working Saturdays and Sundays. I'll show you in a different video if you want to start adding the holidays, or if you want to send them to me, then I can update the holiday calendar as well for your resource file. So once I get that IDCC, it does bring up the view, which is the timeline view, so I can see again the critical chain of activities. This is the unbuffered plan, so these parallel chains aren't moved quite as far to the left as they would be if we inserted buffers into the plan. Okay, fantastic. That's the last tutorial for tonight. I don't think you'll be working this late tonight anyway, so have fun with that. And if you have more questions along the way, then we'll continue to dive into this a little bit deeper. But I think just keep it simple for now. Thanks, bye.